YouTube. Yeah, back at it, man. I got a front bumper to fix for a friend. It's cracked. Cracked real bad. And older car, 97 or something. So she's like, she didn't want to spend the money. She should like just rig it up. You know, a lot of people be talking about, man, why you want to rig up something and all that? Man, when they make cars, they rigged. What do you think they tell? Then you repair it and fix it back the same way they did it, tear up again. You fix it your own way. Why it gotta be called rigging? It's called modification, if you ask me. So you get down rigging it up if you want. You keep rigging it up that factory way, and you keep spending your money off of fixing it their way. So I'm a modification. That's how it's gonna go, YouTube. Modification. Yeah. YouTube. Just dropped 2 coats of clear on it. That PPG I just showed you. That little black on there, y'all know my shit be dark on there. But it's really a midnight blue, YouTube. But if you subscribe to my channel, you already know. It's a little dark. I see me in there. But yeah. Came out pretty good, YouTube. Let me show you the spot that I fixed. AKA rig it. Modification, baby. See that? Tell the dealership that. Yeah, YouTube. Came out pretty good, man. Let me look black under here on the camera, but it's midnight blue, metallics. Make sure you fog on your metallics, YouTube, if you're doing it yourself. After you get your color, over reduce it, man, and throw dust on it, dust coat. Line metallics up so there won't be no stripes. But yeah, man, when you can do it yourself, do it yourself. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube. Another quick project, 3-day project. Raining every day, Florida snow. But got it done, YouTube. Sit here and let it dry a couple hours. Call my friend. Yeah.